How to make bird feeders out of wine bottles. Making a wine bottle bird feeder for hummingbirds can be loads of fun, keeps glass from going into the landfill, and can provide you and your family with something beautiful to look at throughout the hummingbird season. Things you will need: wine bottle, feeding tube, hummingbird food, copper wire. Get a wine bottle with an unusual shape and a color that is bright or clear. Cut a piece of wire 15 to 20 or more inches long, depending on how large your wine bottle is. Wrap the wire around the upside-down bottle, starting at the neck of the bottle. Carefully make a loop around the neck, and then wind the wire around the bottle in whatever cool, artsy fashion you desire. Make a hook with the other end of the wire so that you can attach the feeder to a tree branch or a nail in the porch. Attach the feeding tube to the bottle. Fill the bottle with hummingbird food, and then hang it up for the birds to enjoy. Tips warnings. You can also add additional decorations to the bottle if you like, such as colorful beads on smaller gauge wires attached/tied to the various parts of the wire and/or shells or other stuff glued to the bottle with a water-resistant, all-weather glue. Just be sure to use colorful items as they will be more likely to attract more hummingbirds. Remove the label if you want your feeder to remain beautiful. Weather and sun will cause the label to fray and fade, making your feeder less attractive over time.